Today, we're working with core awareness. And when you apply this shift in awareness all day, every day, the way you view yourself and the world will change. And we're all aware of that concept of keeping your core engaged when you work out, and that will actually help you keep your balance and stability, but it also helps you feel balanced within yourself. And today we're practicing that in a sequence where we solely focus on our core, rather than when you do a lower body workout, you may focus more on your lower body, or when you do an upper body workout, you might focus more on your upper body. This is really about practicing being aware of your core all of the time, because this is where our movement initiates. And once we are aware of our core, our center, we feel more centered, but we also feel more embodied in our movements. So let's give this a go. So I'm using some hand weights, but you do not have to do this if you do not wish to. And this is just for me to become even more aware of my core, because the more strength I need to use, the more I need to engage my core to keep my balance and my stability. So it just really helps me with my core awareness. So let's have a slightly wider stance than our hips, and let's take out a deep breath in and roll our shoulders up. So, and up through the mouth. You may wish to close your eyes again. Shoulders up and breathe out through the mouth. As always, please take care and consult with a trusted medical professional if you are concerned for your health before making any changes in your lifestyle. Now, I'm going to sense into the ground through my feet. So you may sway from side to side. You can also sway from front to back. I think today I feel the side to side is quite a nice sway, and just sensing into that connection with the ground through your feet. At the same time, become aware of your core, your center. So on any given day, I encourage you to really become aware of that center. Even if you're not actively engaging your core, just to be aware of it will help you feel more centered. And also notice those days when you don't actually feel your center. And are they the days that you may not feel centered, where you feel out of sorts? Taking note of those things. So let's take our arms up above our head. Breathing in, being absolutely aware of your center, of your core. Breathing out on taking your arms down again. And you really want to be aware of your core here. That's why the moves are very gentle, very slow. And let's take our arms up to the sides. Breathing in, and again, being very aware of that center and where our movement initiates and also radiates out into our limbs. This is why in your workout sessions, you need to be aware of your core, because your movement is always connected through the core. So again, and you may also want to take one foot to the back, wearing socks, which is maybe not ideal. So, and then we're going to do a plie into our legs, and then also take our arms up. Breathing in and out. Having so much coordination going on actually potentially gets us distracted from our core already, because we're focusing on our legs and on our knees, keeping our knees above our toes, but really being aware of that center. It's kind of subtle, but really very actively aware. And let's change over our feet. Where you can't really see my head. And going into that. Whoop, I'm already getting off center. So again, Engaging that core, but really being so hyper aware of it. One more. And closing your feet together again. You may also want to take a much wider stance and take your arms out. Soft knees, and then just reaching to the sides and turning your hands around as you do this. So as you do the reaching, you can see my wrists are moving. So again, being so hyper aware of your core. This exercise is all about helping you become aware and remain aware of that core as you walk through your everyday life, as you go through your workouts. All right. Let's take one final deep breath in together. Again, being aware of your core, because we're going to take our arms up again. Taking your shoulders up above your ears and exhale. There is a free reflection tool in the description box of this video that helps you keep track of your body sensations and your thoughts and your feelings as you go through this sequence, and that helps you with your body awareness and your self-awareness, and it helps you just check in with your body and to see where it's at and what it may need. Please leave me any comments in the comment section below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next one.